In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then reach additional settings and click on languages and input. Now tap on languages in this first tab, and now just pick the language that you would like to apply. So as you can see here, you've got plenty of languages that you can use in your phone as a default one, and let me pick, for example, Portuguese. And as you can see, from now on your device is in Portuguese, so everything has been changed. And now if you would like to apply another language, just do the same action that we did previously. So just pick the language that you want to apply, mark it, and then it will be your new default system language. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.